In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain and host your websites on DigitalOcean Droplet. We'll start in the DigitalOcean dashboard, spin up a clean droplet, and then connect your custom domain using DigitalOcean's DNS. I'll explain the settings that matter so you can balance performance, cost, and security as you deploy. Once you're signed in, head to the projects area. Projects keep resources grouped per site or environment, which makes billing and access control simpler. You can work inside an existing project or create a new one if you want a fresh workspace. After opening the project, switch to the resources view. This is where you'll launch and manage servers, storage, and networking. Choose Create Droplet to begin. First, pick a region close to your audience to minimize latency. When multiple data centers are listed in a region, any will do. It simply places the machine in a specific facility. Try to keep related services in the same region for consistent performance and easier networking if you add load balancers or databases later. Next, select the operating system image. Ubuntu is a solid default with long-term support and great documentation. For size, consider your workload. A small website or API typically runs fine on an entry plan with shared CPU and a few gigabytes of RAM. If you expect bursts of traffic, heavier frameworks, or frequent background jobs, choose a larger plan. The selector shows the monthly price and included SSD storage so you can right size without surprises. Under CPU options, you can choose regular or premium processors. Premium costs more but can improve performance for compute-heavy tasks like video processing or analytics. If you anticipate growing data needs, you can attach additional block storage later. There's no pressure to decide up front. Consider enabling backups for automatic snapshots. It adds a small percentage to your bill and provides convenient recovery points. For authentication, SSH keys are strongly recommended over passwords because they're more secure and frictionless once configured. If you don't have a key yet, generate one on your computer and add the public key here. In the Finalize section, set a clear host name, add tags to organize by app or environment, and enable monitoring for built-in metrics and alerts. Review your summary, region, image, size, and estimated cost, then create the droplet. After the droplet is ready, open the Create menu at the top of the dashboard and go to Domains and DNS. Choose Add a Domain, enter your custom domain, select the appropriate project and add it. This brings your domain into DigitalOcean's DNS manager so you can manage records alongside your server. If your domain is registered elsewhere, you may need to update its name servers to use DigitalOcean's DNS. Your registrar's help center will show you where to do that. Give DNS some time to propagate. Many changes apply within minutes, but full propagation can take longer depending on caching. As a best practice, keep your credentials and any private keys private and store them securely. At this point, you have a running server in your chosen region and your domain managed in the same place, which keeps operations straightforward and scalable. As you continue, keep an eye on monitoring and usage, and adjust your droplet size or backups if your traffic grows. With these foundations in place, you're set up to deploy your site and serve it reliably under your own domain.